How's it going, everyone? We've got some great new gadgets for you today as we explore 11 of the most useful gadgets from 2021 that are available on Amazon right now. Links to all of these gadgets will be available in the description below, so let's get started. GEODE. GEODE is a brand new desk toy for adults that can help to ease your mind during a stressful workday. This device utilizes a dodecahedron and magnets to allow you to create some truly impressive objects, giving you infinite possibilities of shapes and structures that you can create. They are very durable, so you can build with them time and time again. You can also use them as a fidget toy by spinning the various magnets that are built in. You can flex your brain and learn to make new structures, towers, spheres, and shapes. GEODE is available now for $25. DIVOOM Sling Bag. The DIVOOM Sling Bag is a pixel art device that can display various messages, images, or GIF images that can be placed in constant rotation, or changed to your heart's content. You can program custom images, download images from others on the internet, or just use the device to display an equalizer for your favorite music. The unit is designed to be incredibly durable and can be used in various settings. You can create custom art and share it with your friends, or wirelessly transmit your art in real time as you're drawing it. There are hundreds of possibilities with the DIVOOM Sling Bag. You can grab one on Amazon right now for $99. POW-UNA X. POW-UNA X is a very powerful Bluetooth speaker that is collapsible, letting you take it almost anywhere. It offers stereo sound and has a connection range of about 100 feet. The built-in battery will give you up to 16 hours of playback time, and it even has a built-in microphone for accepting phone calls or responding to texts. It is water-resistant and rated for indoor or outdoor use. The 20-watt speaker offers Bluetooth 4.2 technology, giving you latency-free audio listening for all your favorite videos, music, or movies. One of the most impressive features is the speaker's stereo sound. This lets you have a fully immersive experience without having to pair multiple speakers together. POW-UNA X is available now for just $129. Easy FUNSHELL Backpack. This backpack could change the way you experience the outdoors. This bag has 10 pockets built in, as well as 3 inner layers to keep all of your devices, gadgets, and important items separate. It offers a waist belt to help keep things stable, and even has a suspension system for better spine support. It is 99% UVA and UVB resistant, and has a built-in 5-layer umbrella to keep you dry during difficult weather. This would be the perfect bag to take hiking or camping. If you're looking for an all-in-one bag that can do it all, the Easy FUNSHELL Backpack is the product for you. This backpack is available now for $112. ONO Roller. This fidget toy for adults was designed to keep your mind busy while also helping to train your dexterity in your hands. This is an innovative sensory fidget toy that can help reduce anxiety and stress during your hardworking days. It can massage the muscles in your hands, reducing muscle fatigue and helping you to stay alert at all times without having pain in your hands from typing or working with them. The soothing and satisfying feeling of these bars can help to soothe a stressful mind and help keep you on task without getting distracted. It can help to minimize bad habits such as nail biting, restless leg syndrome, or checking your phone all hours of the day. ONO Roller is available now for $29. Travel Pillow. This travel pillow was not only designed to help you get a restful nap during the day, but also to help correct your posture so that you can sleep more deeply and more comfortably without waking up with neck pain. One of the most interesting features is that the pillow has a built-in strap that will let you decide how tightly or loosely you'd like the pillow to hang around your neck. This lets you dial in the exact amount of pressure you're looking for, giving you a highly customizable experience. Best of all, this pillow is very portable, being about 80% smaller than other travel pillows. It'll help to align your C1 to C7 vertebrae, so you can rest easy and awaken feeling refreshed. This pillow is available now for $59. FOSMON Mini Bluetooth Keyboard. This mini Bluetooth keyboard can easily connect to your computer, smartphone, tablet, or gaming console. It will let you type on a full QWERTY keyboard from anywhere in the room, giving you a distance of about 33 feet or 10 meters before losing connection. With Bluetooth 3.0 technology, you can rest assured that this keyboard will remain connected and ready to use no matter what. The built-in rechargeable battery is super easy to recharge your keyboard when the battery runs low. A limited lifetime warranty is also included. A single charge of the battery will give you constant use for up to 10 days, or a standby time of up to 50 days. This keyboard is available now for $25. RunTie. This armband phone holder for your iPhone or Android device is exactly what you need to keep track of your fitness while you're out running or biking. This is the perfect strap to carry with you to help you count your calories, your distance, or the time you've been exercising. The elastic strap will fit most smartphones, allowing you to expand it from 4 inches to 6.7 inches very easily. This band does not get in the way of your screen and will still allow you to easily adjust any settings or respond to messages while you're exercising. RunTie is available now for $25. Infinity Cube. This Infinity Cube is the best fidget toy on the market for both children and adults. Inspired by a Rubik's Cube, this fidget toy can be twisted into countless ways, letting you create an endless supply of interesting shapes. This will help to distract your mind from a stressful work environment and give you an easy way to wind down after a hard day's work. You can find these cubes in several different colors and sizes, meaning there's an Infinity Cube out there for everyone. Infinity Cube can be found right now for as little as $3.99. GoSun Go. This portable oven will let you cook delicious food no matter where you may be traveling. Specifically designed for camping or hiking, this oven uses the heat from the sun to cook you a refreshing meal, even without a fuel source. Just place your food inside the tube, set the enclosure, then wait for your meal to cool. You can create highly nutritious meals, and it's perfect for creating kebabs when you're busy traveling or hiking. You can cook meat in as little as 20 minutes with no additional power source needed. This product is available now for $129. Bagel Pi. This is a brand new type of measurement device that can connect to your smartphone to help you keep track of your fitness goals and help you remain motivated while doing your best to lose weight. All you need to do is measure various parts of your body, and the Bagel Pi will take these measurements into account and help guide you along the way to losing weight and getting healthy. Bagel Pi is available now for $80.